kept dreaming of this world I thought I'd never see. And then one day, something happened. Something extraordinary.
What was it?
That's gonna have to wait till next time.
Encom CEO Kevin Flynn was reported missing today. He was last seen at his home with his son, Sam.
Sam, I was paged last night. Page came from your dad's office at the arcade. That number's been disconnected for 20 years.
Hey, Dad. This isn't happening. Who are you? Dad. I'm not your father, Sam. And I'm very, very happy to see you. What am I supposed to do?
Sembara. Your father was the creator.
Where do I find him?
Make it there alive, and he'll find you. Here they come!
Your move, Flynn. Come on.
This Christmas, Santa isn't the only one coming to town.
Hey, what's a good word, Grandpa Jack?
This is Jack Burns.
Yeah, I know. I could tell from the caller ID.
Dina and I will be there in approximately 18 seconds.
I'm so excited to see those little fuckers.
Gobble, gobble, everybody. It's turkey time. Jack, if you do the honors.
You're the turkey carver now, Greg.
Thank you, Jack. It's an honor.
I got myself an obsession.
I'm watching you. Well, I have eyes too. So I'll be watching you, watching me.
You got to give a little love. Give a little love. Go on, just do it. You can't abuse it. Give a little love.
I want you to represent our new drug, Sustengo.
It's an erectile dysfunction medicine.
You know any sexually frustrated old dudes?
Hello, Greg. You mind explaining this?
Jack, did you take one of those pills?
What do you mean?
If you've had that for more than 4 hours, you gotta get to an ER and get you a shot.
There's no way I'm going to an emergency room with this thing. You need to stick me, and you need to stick me now.
I'm not comfortable giving you... I'm not gonna... No.
Little fuckers.
I'd like a few minutes alone with him just to erase what he saw from his memory.
No. You're not gonna erase my son's memory.
Give a little